If I ever might need the east side. If I ever might need the west side. If I ever might need the east side. If I ever might need the west side.
You heard it in the streets, yeah, we got the city bumping. Cooking up beats like fresh cookies out the oven. Heaps of pretty faces with some new fans locking. Family show we love when my neighborhood rocking. Red and blue flag with them 5 stars rapping. Ovalu Lima making moves, money hunting. Fake brothers frontin', real Usos only. Good music, sipping liquors from night till the morning. Nothing but good vibes, simple rhymes for you dummies. Nothing but good vibe, peace sign for you drumpies. Drop my free kindle, dish the heat before we jump in. Cause it's a celebration every time that we come in. Start a bandwagon, you can jump in my fuck van. Take you for a ride through this jungle with my cool clan. Six side to side with my uncle Jai Iman. JT Allah, brother Don, yo, I'm a big fan.
If I ever might need the east side. If I ever might need the west side. If I ever might need the east side. If I ever might need the west side.
Ua e silfia lava se sole lo kaulanga i le kusida ngale wailoa e ka ngaka ai wakele ngaka pingel mako au aya au umamfa amake se solo i le ala ai lo se fawalunga ai pau ola upala i ki ngafo i se loko se songela upara ai eva maliko e sai sole male musika fa uma e fe au so malau lilia ngaka i nga ola fangua me maka peke kuilo i maunga se ma e maka au le lale le ila kokongo le a ai wake city flame side eva ma iai ai pule o ia fika e ke velo ai eva fale lege va venga e uma ai peke eva le penina nga o kama a asa east side e black